In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily back up your files and folders to OneDrive in Windows 10 using two straightforward methods. Let's start with the first method, which involves setting up automatic backups through OneDrive settings. First, you need to make sure that you're logged into your OneDrive account. Open your system tray or taskbar and look for the OneDrive icon. If you aren't logged in, click on it and enter your login information to get started. Once you're logged in, click on the OneDrive icon to open its menu. After the menu is open, you'll want to find and click on the settings icon. This takes you to the settings menu where you'll see various options. Look for the section labelled Sync and Backup. Click on this section. It is where you'll manage your backup preferences. Within the Sync and Backup tab, look for Manage Backup. Select this option and you'll be shown a list of folders available for backup, such as desktop, documents and pictures. Choose which folders you'd like to back up by selecting them. This setup allows you to make sure that important files are always secure in the cloud. After selecting your preferred folders, click Save Changes to confirm your selections. This ensures that your chosen folders will be automatically backed up to OneDrive. Now let's switch gears to the second method, which involves using File Explorer. This method provides more granular control over individual files and folders. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folders or files on your computer that you want to back up. Once you've found the files or folders, select them. You can do this by holding down the Ctrl key if you wish to select multiple items at once. After selecting them, drag and drop these items into your OneDrive folder. By dropping files into this folder, you're effectively backing them up to the cloud. It's a simple drag and drop process that immediately secures your files. Either one of these methods will allow you to keep your valuable data safe and accessible from any device where you have access to your OneDrive account. Remember that while automatic backups cover entire folders and are convenient, manually dragging and dropping gives you flexibility in choosing specific items to secure. And there you have it, two efficient ways to back up your files and folders to OneDrive on Windows 10. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.